In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete LinkedIn account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and what to expect when you permanently close your profile. Start by signing in and heading to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage you see after logging in. Make sure you're in the correct account you want to close since the process affects everything tied to that profile. Next, look to the top of the page for the Me menu. It's the one with your profile photo and the word Me beside it. Click that to open your personal menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This takes you to the control center for your account. On the Settings and Privacy page, select the Account Preferences section. You'll find it listed in the left-hand sidebar. This area houses the tools that control your account's status and management. Scroll down until you reach the section called Account Management. Here you'll see two important options. One is Hibernate Account, which is a temporary way to make your profile less visible and pause activity without fully closing your account. It's helpful if you just need a break. However, if you're sure you want to leave LinkedIn, we'll move past that and select the permanent option. Click Close and Delete Account. LinkedIn will show information about what closing means, such as losing access to your connections, messages, and endorsements. When you're ready, click Continue to proceed. You'll be asked to choose your reason for closing the account. Pick the reason that best matches your situation. This helps LinkedIn understand why people leave and can improve the product, but it doesn't change the outcome for you. After selecting a reason, click Next. For security, LinkedIn will ask you to confirm your identity. Enter your account password to verify that it's really you making this change. When you've entered it, click Done to finalize the closure. Once you finish, your profile begins the closure process. Your public presence and access will end, and your connections won't be able to interact with your profile. Keep in mind that certain data may be retained as described in LinkedIn's policies, but your account will no longer be active or discoverable. That's it. You started from your feed, opened the Me menu, went to Settings and Privacy, opened Account Preferences, scrolled to Account Management, and chose Close and Delete Account. You confirmed your reason, clicked Next, verified with your password, and completed the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently close your LinkedIn account.